Hey guys, this is Jason with Multiple Streams of Income, and I'm going to show you another way that you can make another income stream from Facebook by creating a Facebook page and adding a cool video to it. It's very neat. So stay to the end and watch this video. Hey guys, this is Jason, and this is very cool. You can actually load a video to your Facebook page for your products or services that you're trying to promote on that page. And let me show you how it's done. It's very simple. Now, before we get into the details of uploading it, your video needs to be rendered at a certain size and a certain time length. It needs to be minimum of 20 seconds or maximum of 90 seconds. If you go outside of those two minimum and maximum, your video will air out when it loads to Facebook. So you want to make sure it's a minimum of 20 and a maximum of 90. Now the size of the image is important because it's based upon the quality of your upload. It needs to be 820 by 312. Now, Facebook also recommends 320 by 412, but when I uploaded that, it kind of gave it a little bit grainy look, so I didn't like the quality of it. So the best quality that I tested with is 820 by 312, okay? So let me show you what this looks like on Facebook right now. I'm going to show you what I just loaded on. Okay, I'm going to turn up the volume, and I'm going to hit the play.
You can utilize their platform system to sell products and services online and make money every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now, I've also partnered up with another company called the 4% Group, which Vic Strices has the challenge, and the challenge just teaches you how to drive traffic, how to put everything together and build your home online, so that you can actually make money online and not depend.
Okay, now you know what it looks like on Facebook. Let me show you how you can upload a video. Now, I'm not going to go through creating the Camtasia video. That's would take too much time for this video. But I'm going to show you how you, once the video is created, that you can upload it to your Facebook page. So all you have to do is when you're in your edit mode, and basically whenever you go to your own page, you're in edit mode, you would change cover and upload photo. Okay, and then you would select your MP4 photo that you created and say okay, and it will start rendering the video, and it may take a couple seconds or even up to a minute or two to get it process the video. Okay, I'm going to speed up the video while this is working. Okay, so it took about 90 seconds to upload the video, about that, not quite that long. But then I just hit next so it stops. You can actually now say automatically replay video in a loop, so it will just keep looping over and over and over again. Now you would just put that on. I'm going to leave it off, and I believe you can go through the settings and do that too later if you wanted to. And all you have to do at this point is hit publish. That's how easy it is to actually load a video to your Facebook page, and you can create multiple streams of income directly through your Facebook page. And you can create posts and articles and information related to that products and services right on your page. So if you like this, go ahead and like my page. Go to my Jason Gerald Multiple Streams of Income and like my page. I appreciate it if you do. So if you like this video, I also suggest you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on that button up there, and make sure you hit the notification so that you get notified whenever I create a new video. All right, guys, go out and create multiple streams of income and have a great day. Bye-bye.